Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2015 Toyota RAV4 LE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger, all-wheel drive SUV in a stunning alpine white. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter i4 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 17-inch wheels. This vehicle itself has low kilometers and the exterior body is still in a really good condition. Why don't we open it up and take a look at all the features included inside. Here we have your handy fob as well as your remote starter. Perfect for those winter months when you don't want to sit in your cold vehicle and wait for it to warm up. So with your fob, to unlock your driver's side, simply press once. And to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, that turn signal indicator also comes on your side mirrors. Opening it up now to take a look. Nice and clean interiors, really good condition. On the side here, we have your power windows and your power locks, as well as this trim throughout. On the side, we have your power adjustable side mirrors, as well as your traction control. Of course, you need your all-weather floor mats, especially when things start melting and getting a little bit dirty. We have these great soft interiors inside. Lots of nice stuff from out here, but why don't we hop on in? Bear with me here. Starting up your RAV4, simply put the key into the ignition. As the dashboard lights up, we're going to take a look at the kilometers. There's 51,290, so pretty low. Lots of life left on it. Got a nice clean leather wrapped steering wheel, as well as all your steering wheel mounted controls like your hands-free calling, your volume control, and your mode changers. Your cruise control is down here. We see that nice leather trim on your dash, as well as your AM, FM radio, as well as your CD. And let's take a look here. With that hands-free calling, you also do have your Bluetooth audio, just for all those tunes when you're taking that road trip that you've been planning. We have your climate controls with that chrome detail, and down here it is a little bit dark, but you have your drive modes, as well as your heated windows, your USB auxiliary input, and a 12-volt DC charger. Some extra storage down here. Here we get to see that nice black trim as well as your cup holder. You've got your stick shift, very stylish with that chrome and leather. Got some more storage here, that leather parking brake. Opening up your center console, plenty of space to store anything you need in your SUV. As well as we see there's that shelf there for anything that you don't want to forget to grab before you leave your vehicle. And then down here we have your glove box with all the manuals for you to know everything your vehicle can do for you. Some pretty nice stuff happening inside your RAV4, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your RAV4. Opening up the tailgate now, simply put your hand on that button underneath and it'll roll up for you. Taking a look at all that space, as well as that all-weather mat to keep your back cargo area nice and clean. Underneath, of course, you have your spare tire and the jack and tools that you need in case anything does happen. Now these seats do fold down, so that's with the one side folded down. Now with both sides folded down, that mat also covers the back seats to to keep everything nice and protected, and in case you need to store anything large in your SUV. Closing it up now, simply pull the handle down. And I'll back up here so you can take one more look at the back of your RAV4. Taking one final look at your 2015 Toyota RAV4 LE. Aside from that awesome all-wheel drive, you also have your traction control, your electronic stability, as well as your brake assist that really does change your driving experience. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around in video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.